Road trip. Ready, Miss Kitty?
Poor lens. Why don't we use the good lens?
The good lens?
You can't do it this way. Remember, that's a sin. You have to do it this way.
Okay.
See.
Current camp, Slab City.
Oh, okay.
So the things that you're gonna need are your bowl. We've warmed up a little bit of water. So we mixed a little bit of hot and then we added some cold. And now I'm gonna take out my braid and wash my hair. So I've got my shampoo and I'm gonna put some in my hair. I don't want to use too much shampoo because I want to use as least as possible. Oh, it feels so good. This is because I don't have a shower. Kind of like when you're in the bathtub. Look how dirty it is. The desert sand is always blowing into your hair.
That's impressive.
Yuck-ola. So you should keep a little bit of conditioner in your hair to keep it soft. Organic conditioner. And I'm just going to put a little bit. But it's pretty dry out here, so I want to use enough that I can get a comb through my hair and that it's not going to be gross. So now that I've put the conditioner in my hair, I'm going to brush through it before I rinse it. Make sure you get all that soap out of your hair.
That feels so much better.
Washcloth. And the water that I've used for my hair. And now I'm going to use that water to shave my legs. It's Castile soap.
No, neither.
Okay, so now that I've done that, let's check on Beth.
Can I smell it one
It's
more
been
time?
dried out.
See if you're right,
Yeah, do I
and that
smell
vinegar.
still?
You're right. It went away.
Does
went
it smell
She
like
said
vinegar?
no. Because
Does
when
it
I
smell
smelled it
good
that
and
first
fresh?
time, you almost knocked me
and
out.
it's still a little bit wet, so it should still smell a little bit.
And Beth has used Dr. Bronner's in her sink in her bowl the same way.
Yep.
And then she followed up today with some vinegar.
I sprayed with 50-50 white vinegar and water.
And the smell went away of the vinegar.
The smell went away. I
Which
still
I was
feel a little bit
doubtful.
of the Dr. Bronner's residue in here, but it does feel a little bit cleaner. Now the vinegar in your hair is supposed to dry it out, so
Yes.
you wouldn't want to do that too much.
Vinegar cuts grease.
Oh,
And grease
okay.
cuts dirt.
Makes sense.
And then we're going to dump it down the gray tank, right?
Yes.
I'm going to put some coconut oil in my hair now that it's nice and clean to help with the dryness, especially on the ends. And whatever's left over on your hands, you can use for the skin on your face to wash your face. Then you can remove the dirt from your face because we know that oil and grease cuts dirt. And then we're going to follow with a cotton
Stay tuned for Becky dyeing her hair gray, but it comes out purple.
Like my video on YouTube and subscribe for more adventures.